Hello guys, welcome back to N Curve24. Today we are going to discuss about oils. Now first, after viewing this entire video, you will have an idea on what is comedogenic and non-comedogenic oils and also what to consider when using oils on face. The word comedogenic means likelihood of clogging pores of skin. Non-comedogenic means not clogging pores. Now, why it is important to use something which is non-comedogenic? When skin pores are clogged, that is when the dirt and particles gets in contact with sebum and there occurs bacteria to develop and cause inflammation, and thus leads to bumps, rashes, irritation and acne breakouts, blackheads, etc. Comedogenic rating scale is from 1 to 5. 1 means it is rare likely to clog the pores, so it is safe to use. 2 means less likely to clog the pores. 3 means it may break out for some people and it may not break out for some people, so it depends on the skin type. 4 means most likely to break out, and 5 it is definitely sure that this can break out. From 0 to 1 are argan oil, neem squalene oil, hemp seed oil, amla oil, red raspberry oil, safflower oil, rosehip seed oil. Which comes under rating 2 are jojoba oil, black raspberry oil, apricot oil, almond oil, black cumin seed oil. Rating 3 avocado oil, sesame seed oil, marula oil. Rating 4 coconut oil, cocoa butter. Rating 5 soybean oil, vegetable oil. Coming in detail about this topic, different oils have different characteristics, and we also need to consider the acids in different oils and not only the comedogenic rating numbers. So our skin has a natural skin barrier which is made up of some fatty acids called ceramides, lipid and natural sebum, that is occlusive material which prevents the water loss. When it comes to oils, there is 2 components which we need to consider, that is mainly oleic acid and linoleic acid. There are also other things which are like linolenic acid, stearic acid, lauric acid, etc. But we are going to discuss about oleic acid and linoleic acid in this video. So what is oleic acid and linoleic acids? These are the fatty acids that are present in our skin, but it can be lower or higher in ratio, and this is what decides our skin type. Linoleic acid is an unsaturated fatty acid, also called as omega-6. Linoleic acid is lightweight and thinner than oleic acid. When linoleic acid is deficient, it causes to produce more sebum, so the excess sebum will result in making the skin more oily. People has deficient in linoleic, which makes sebum thicker. So in simple way, we can say oily skin people are deficient in linoleic acid. Any oil with high linoleic helps in skin barrier to make it stronger and to repair it, and also helps with acne. Now coming to oleic acid. Oleic acid is a monosaturated fatty acid which is also called as omega-9. It makes oils super moisturizing and very heavy and rich in texture. Oleic acid is super nourishing for dry skin people. When oleic acid is low, it makes the oil lightweight. When any oil is high in oleic acid, it makes the oil little greasy and thick and also more hydrating. Simply put, oleic acid is an oily skin girl and linoleic acid is a dry skin girl. So people with oily skin can benefit from oils which are high in linoleic acid and low in oleic acid, and people with dry, mature and aging skin can benefit from oil which are high in oleic and low in linoleic. And also there are few oils which are balanced and suited for all skin types. Oily skin people can benefit from argan oil, hemp seed oil, squalane oil, etc., which are very high in linoleic and low in oleic acid. Now coming to dry skin people. Dry skin people can benefit from avocado oil, which is also rich in healthy fat, and they can also make use of marula oil, which is high in oleic acid, which is super nourishing. Now coming to matured and aging skin. When it comes to matured skin, you need to consider something which has the anti-aging benefits like rosehip oil, sea buckthorn oil, flaxseed oil, etc. Now coming to the oils which is very balanced and suited for almost all the skin types, and these are squalane oil. Everyone can use because it is similar to our sebum. Grapeseed oil, which is high in linoleic and reduces the inflammation and redness, and this does not clog the pores as well. Next is hemp seed oil, which is 0 in comedogenic rating. It has the properties of softening the skin, and which has ideal omega-6 and omega-9. I have a whole another video on hemp seed oil which you can check. Next is pumpkin seed oil, which is anti-inflammatory, which is high in vitamin E and K. It can reduce redness with acne. And next is rosehip seed oil, which is good for all skin types, and it has anti-aging benefits. It contains the retinoic acid in oil form. Next is jojoba oil, which is similar to the molecular structure of our natural sebum, and it is super hydrating. So these are just few examples on how to choose oils for your face and how you can decide which will suit you. So I hope this video has helped you. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.